I'm on my way to the north overlook and I see some deer over here in the rain. Some bucks, beautiful bucks. Most of them are running back in the woods. There they all go. Now this is a whole herd of bucks back here. This is that little 6-pointer that lets me get close to him. I didn't even know he was over there. All the rest of them ran back into the woods. This guy never runs away from me. And here comes another one. I got my umbrella up. I'm trying to keep my camera dry. There's that little 6-pointer. See a lot of deer in that woods running around, but it's pouring down rain and it's dark. Hello, little buddy. Haven't seen you for a while. He's gonna run back there and catch up with the rest of them. The whole herd of bucks are back there. And there they go. There's some more over there. Shaking off that rainwater. See the other ones walking off down there. I wasn't going to get in this mess, but I think I can keep my camera dry with this umbrella. Makes it hard going through these trees. Down on Corbly now. They're up there on that hillside, going up that hill. And there they go, running off. There's one there lagging behind. These aren't going to be great videos because it's so dark and it's raining, but it's better than nothing. I see these bucks all over the park. They move around a lot. There's quite a few bucks over there, but the rest of them are on the other side of that hill. This one's catching up with the rest of them. Oh, now they're at the top of the hill. Looks like they're all coming back over here. This is one of the bigger bucks. There's the little 6-pointer that I like. It never runs away from me. There goes the little 6-pointer. Yeah, we're up here in Sullivan Grove. There's a doe back there. I think it's a doe. I don't see any antlers. Keep finding this 6-point buck. Where's the rest of them? Oh, there's one down there. Bigger buck walking down there. There it is. There's another deer. Looks like a doe. This little 6-pointer staying with me. Well, now he's running off. And I see a bigger buck back there. They're all running off up there. I always say I'm not going to follow them because it's raining, but I just can't resist. There's a deer rub. They're back in this area a lot, but it's hard to maneuver around in. I keep seeing them running around back there. I don't think they want me to catch up with them. Look at the mess they got me in. They came through here. I see their trail. I'm gonna get back on the Boy Scout Bridge Trail. They outmaneuvered me. See them down the hill. They know where to go to get away from you. Well, this one's walking up towards me. No, it's not. Where is it going? I see uphill road down there. I think what they did is they went down this hill and crossed uphill road, and then they're in that wooded area over there now. I'm on my way to the North Overlook. It's a cold, rainy, foggy morning. There's the North Overlook up there. You can just barely see it. See, the raindrops keep getting on my lens. So the deer are running off down there. I usually hike that area, but I'm going to stay on the road this morning because of the rain. I can see the deer back there. This is the herd of does. Saw the herd of bucks earlier. This whole area is full of does. Bunch of wet does. I'm getting all this video from the road, Top Hill Road. It might be rainy and foggy and a little cold, but it's still a beautiful morning. I just saw some deer run down there. I don't know where they went. I'm not going down there trying to find them. This is the south overlook. This is the south overlook. And I'm on my way down uphill road. Because of the rain, I pretty much stayed on the road today. But I did wander off a couple of times, but I didn't stay off the road for long. Found some bucks on the side of the road. Two bucks. I've seen both of these bucks before. There's the other one. There's the other one peeking around that tree. There they are together. I'm not going to follow them. I think I got enough pictures and video. starting to rain a little harder now. I hope I didn't get any water in my camera microphone. When I do that, it sounds like I'm underwater. There's the golf course parking lot, and there's my car. Time for me to go home.